If you're at a drag strip, you're gonna find out whose car's the fastest. And you're gonna find out whose bus is the fastest. And if you're feeling confident, you might as well race a helicopter.
Prepare for the Polizei vehicle to defeat the helicopter. This is the most amazing thing I've ever seen in my whole life. The Polizei is taking the victory against the helicopter. My God!
We are victorious! We have beaten the buzzbird helicopter!
My God! You are deserving of all the lazies tonight!
As the helicopter is forced to accept defeat, the Polizei indulge in some more manly hugging.
Yes.
Yes.
Number one!
Number one!
Premier 1!
Don't stop, keep on doing what you're doing.